Average due date. Dear students, today let us learn about what is average due date and how it is calculated. Average due date. A method of payment that has generally found favor with businessmen in settling accounts is the average due date method. Average due date means an equated date on which a payment may be made in one single amount in place of several amounts due for payment on different dates. The following is the method of ascertaining the average due date. Take the first due date of the transactions as the starting point. Calculate the number of days from the starting point to the due date of each transaction. Multiply the amount of each transaction by its number of days from the starting point. Divide the total of products by the total amount of the transactions. The result will be the number of days of the average due date from the starting point. Illustration. A trader having accepted the following several bills falling due on different dates now desires to have these bills cancelled and to accept a new bill for the whole amount payable on the average due date. You are required to find out that average due date. The bills are 1. March 1, Rs 400 due May 4th. March 10, Rs 300 due June 13th. 3. April 5, Rs 200 due June 8th. 4. April 20, Rs 375 due May 23rd. 5th. May 10, Rs 500 due July 13th. Solution. The starting point is 4th May. The number of days of each transaction from the starting point is as under. We have to prepare a statement as under. Serial number, starting point, to due date is equal to number of days from the starting point to due date, amount of the bill, products, number of days into amount. 1. 4th May to 4th May, 0 days, amount 400, products 0. 4th May to 13th June, 40 days, amount 300, products 300 into 40, 12,000. 4th May to 8th June, days, number of days 35, amount 200, the products 7,000. 4th May to 23rd May, number of days 19, amount 375, the product of 7,125. 4th May to 13th July, 70 days, amount 500, the product is 35,000. Total amount of the bill is 1,775 and the total product 61,125. Average days are total of the products by total amount, that is 61,125 by 1,775 is equal to 34 days from the starting point. Therefore, the average due date is 34 days from the starting point, that is 7th June. In the next lecture, we will discuss about account current.